Okay, here's more of the Erie Blizzard in the daytime. This is what the house looks like. Those are my solar panels up there that are all covered with snow. They aren't going to see the sun for quite some time. But this is just absolutely crazy. We've lived here for over 30 years and haven't seen anything like this. And they say they're setting records back to the 1940s. It is just unbelievable. I'll take you to the look at the roof on the garage, the trees that are just absolutely covered with snow. I'll show you what the other side of the house looks like. Well, there's the snow from this point of view, and then that's pretty impressive to show you what it looks like with the table and how much snow we've gotten. Is our patio table, my grill, which I should have covered up, and my air conditioner, which you can't, I guess I better zoom out. Yeah, anyways, it's also a heat pump, but that's it. It's actually quite beautiful as long as you don't have to drive in it. Erie, PA.